have lots of different emotions, especially right now. We may be feeling happy one day and lonely the next day, and that's okay. I have some music pieces without any words that set a mood. A mood is like a feeling. So this first song I'm going to let you listen to, and you can think about how it makes you feel, and I'll tell you how it makes me feel. What's that first feeling you got from that song? For me, it was excited. I felt excited by that music. Let's try another one. That song made me feel a little nervous because I couldn't really tell what was coming next. How about this one? Words, but if I really just focus on the music, it made me feel a little scared. It was kind of like a Halloween song, right? Like dancing around a cauldron or something. But maybe for some of you, that feeling is exciting. All right, let's do one last one. Right away? I know for me, when I hear music, it really sets a tone. That song made me feel happy. I'm really proud of your listening today and thinking about how you feel. Bye, everybody.